Hello guys, you're welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you a close-up video on how you can ventilate. In my last video it wasn't that clear, it was a kind of blurry. So this video I did it specifically for the ventilation part. So that is the pin, and right here I'm just showing you how you roll your hand and to turn the pin, how you just roll your hand around the pin, and that place that I'm showing you guys now, that is the handle. Some people love to hold it this way, some hold it that way, but I prefer my hand being towards the end. It's softer that way to roll it with your thumb. So what you're going to do is you will put the hook, you will pass the hook through the lace, through the hole on the lace, then pick the number of strands of hair that you want to be working on, pass it back through that same hole, and then you just turn your pin around that hair and then you drag it out. It's a very simple process. You must not get it on your first try. I didn't get it on my first try. I did not even get it on my second try too. It took me time before I did. But the moment you grasp the concept, that is all. You just pass it through the hole, pick the number of strands of hair that you'll be working with. As a beginner, the strands of the hair that you pick might not be consistent. It's alright, it's okay. I still pick strands of hair that are not consistent sometimes when I'm working. It's all part of growth. So once you pick the strands of hair that you want, you roll it around the hook, around the pin, and then you carefully, because it breaks pin, it breaks the mouth of the ventilating pin, and then you carefully drag it out. In case whereby you're trying to knot it and then the strands have hooked the mouth of your pin, sorry, don't force it. Calmly loosen it, because it breaks the pin. It breaks the pin. So it's easy. Just drag it, put your pin through the hole, pick the number of strands that you want, drag it back through the same hole, then you turn your hand like this. Your focus should be more on the hand, the way I'm doing, so that you can get it. Turn your hand around it. You can turn it clockwise or anti-clockwise. Let it just go round the extension, and then you drag it out. It is a simple process. I know I keep saying it's simple. Yes, it's simple, because whatever you believe that is simple is actually simple. If you believe that it's hard, it is hard, and it will be hard. But I know that this is simple. It is. Yes. It came to my mind and I zoomed it. I didn't realize on time that it was not zoomed. It was when I was watching. When I asked my sister to check it for me, that's when she zoomed it, that it's not zoomed enough. So this is it. You just pass your pin through this thing, and be careful. Like I just pass it through two holes. So be careful. Pass it through just one. Pass your pin through it like this. Pick the number of strands, be it 1 or 2. Then you pass your pin back like that. I'm using this my finger to tighten it, and then I use this other one to drag the pin out gently. Then I cross it. You can cross it around the strands, clockwise or anti-clockwise. Just turn it. Let the mouth of the hook be facing down, and then you just drag it through the hole that you've made with the strands of the hair. Perfect. And you are done. Trust me, it's not hard. Pass your pin through the hole, pick the number of strands that you want, pass it back through the hole in the lace gently, and then you turn it round that strands, let the mouth of the pin be facing down, and then you drag it. Oh my god, and you have gotten it. It's not hard. Did you see that? Well, well, I hope you get something from this video. If there is anything that you don't understand, you can ask in the comment section. And if there is something you want me to show you that I've not showed you, you can also ask. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.